Hey everyone, I'm Tim, and today I'm excited to introduce you to a game changer for your outdoor spaces, the Tomahawk Turbo Boosted Mosquito Fogger. This powerful tool is your key to creating a pest-free environment right in your backyard. Let's dive into how it works and why it's a must-have for any homeowner. This fogger is turbo boosted, giving it an extended reach that's perfect for large trees, wide open spaces. It's equipped with a 4-gallon tank, which means you can cover more area without the hassle of frequent refills. Its powerful 2-stroke engine can help you reach up to 40 feet and effectively apply your pesticides to take care of mosquitoes, ticks, or flies. This fogger handles it all. Plus, the fogger also doubles as a leaf blower, making it a fantastic tool for year-round yard maintenance. It's a real 2-in-1 solution. Watch how easy it is to start. Just a simple pull and we're ready to go. And thanks to its adjustable straps and padding, it's comfortable to carry, even when fully loaded. As you can see, it produces a fine, consistent mist that penetrates deep into the foliage where bugs hide to ensure maximum coverage. Now, safety is paramount, so always wear protective gear like long sleeves, gloves, and a mask when handling pesticides. Maintaining your fogger is just as easy. After each use, make sure to clean it thoroughly, which will help to keep it running smoothly for years. And if you ever have questions or need support, the folks at Tomahawk Power are super friendly and know their stuff. They back their foggers with a solid warranty too, which shows just how much they stand behind the quality of their products. The Tomahawk Turbo Boosted Mosquito Fogger is not just about pest control. It's about taking back your outdoor living spaces and enjoying your home without the interruption of annoying pests. It's durable, efficient, and cost-effective solution that's perfect for any homeowner. Say goodbye to costly pest control services and hello to DIY convenience and start enjoying your outdoor activities worry-free.